Okay, the oven door is very dirty. We got the turkey cooked. Now we want to clean this thing, but not just this surface. We want to clean inside the glass too. The way to do that is to remove the door. When you have the door fully open, flip this lever down, and then the whole door will come out. There's lots of videos to show how to do that. But to get the door apart is a little bit trickier. So remove the 4 screws on the back, and then remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws on the bottom. And then I take just a butter knife and lift up on, get this, just a butter knife in between that. I don't know if you can see that real good. And that will separate this back panel from the door, like that. Okay, once that's all loose, this back panel will just lift out of there. Now we remove these little fiberglass pieces all the way around, and then there's 2 screws here and here that you remove this panel and lay that off to the side. And now your whole glass panel will lift up and out, and now you can clean it. This holder, and if you want to get that apart, you get a screwdriver behind that and bend that tab out. And then you can pull these off to get the glass out. Tab somewhat straightened out, you can pull these pieces apart and then pull this away from the glass.